So we're back at it. We put two 4x5 round bales in it. Started the bale really well, and we've unrolled two more. We took it in the shop. It's too cold really for what our belts are rated for, so we're just doing a little bit at a time. And we're gonna roll two more, and then we're gonna go in, mess with our wrap again while we unroll the next two. We're hoping to get 6 total in our unit, 6 4x5 bales. So here we go again. We've still got a partial bale in it, so the bale is already started. It's got about 3 feet or such a matter. Still about 14 degrees, snowing as you can see, windy. It's not hay baling weather. Well, there's 4. We're not quite maxed out yet. So there's 4 of them. So we got one more run to go.